Hello everybody, welcome back to TabiEats Food Review. Today we are trying a variety of food from Quebec, Canada.
Thank you so much, Caroline and Audrey, for sending these to us. We cannot wait to try them out. We have so much food in front of us. What should we start with?
How about that beans?
The beans. Alright, we're starting out with a can of beans. You know, in America, we eat beans. I think in England, they eat beans as well.
In Japan too.
Well, true. In Hawaii, we used to have these beans like once every 2 weeks for school lunch. But this is a little bit different because this is made with maple syrup. Although I have had canned beans, which I personally like. I know you're not like a huge fan of it. I'm very curious to see what it tastes like with the maple syrup.
The color looks like natto.
Natto. It kind of does actually.
It means very good way.
Okay, いただきます。
いただきます。
Delicious. Wow, definitely you can taste that maple syrup.
Right. Salty maple syrup.
Salty maple syrup.
Savory maple syrup.
Savory and sweet, but it's not like sugary sweet because they're using maple syrup. I really like it. I think it gives like a different flavor from the regular canned beans that I'm used to eating.
Oshiruko.
Kind of tastes like oshiruko. That's true.
Of course, oshiruko is sweet, but we can use maple syrup for oshiruko too.
That's true. If you didn't know, oshiruko is a red bean soup made with azuki beans, and it is a sweet soup. I'm a huge fan of it. Once again, you're not really like a huge fan of it.
In front of us, there's a scary things.
Well,
Fire buns.
fire burns.
Hot sauce.
Okay, so this is a rum and chipotle sauce. And on the notes though, it says this one is not too spicy.
Oh really?
Not too spicy at all, so it should be fine. We didn't know what to pair this with, and the only thing that we found that might taste good with it in our supermarket is korokke and some deep fried chikua. You know, I figured it would taste good with these two things here.
Smells nice.
Yeah? Okay, so should we try the korokke first?
Okay.
ではいただき
い
ます。
ただきます。
Nice. I love
It's
the
good.
flavor. It's really good. I love the flavor of chili pepper.
I want more.
That's right. It's not spicy. It's not too spicy. It just has like a hint of spiciness. Just a hint. But the flavor is amazing. Isn't it?
This one, the spice level is 2 from 0 to 10.
Okay.
So it's not spicy. But the flavor.
The flavor is
really good.
amazing. That chili pepper flavor. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that. A little bit tangy.
This is very good
Very
condiment.
good. I was scared
Sauce.
first, because the color is like super red. So this is with the chikua. Chikua is fish cake, by the way.
I need more.
Yeah, it's good as well. I gotta say this pepper sauce is really yummy.
It's multi-purpose.
Multi-purpose, yeah. I think this would go great in like soup, like tomato soup. We've never tried it before. This is poutine gravy mix from St. Hubert, and looks like they've been making this gravy since 1951. And poutine is I think Canada's national dish, and it's basically French fries drowned in gravy mix with some cheese curd on it. But since we don't have cheese curds here in Japan, or at least I don't know where they sell them, we've put some shredded cheese on top.
It looks very delicious.
Yes, I hope Canadians out there don't get too mad at us for putting shredded cheese on top. I hope that's okay.
I've never eaten with gravy.
Me neither. The gravy smells amazing, by the way. You know, it's very rare that we eat gravy in Japan. I don't think they have gravy here, unless you go to like an American restaurant. Oh. I can see why this is a hit.
Wow. I'm surprised. I'm used to eating fried potato, French fry. But this is different from my flavor.
This tastes like a meal to me.
Yes. It become suddenly it become another meal. It's not my potato.
Your potato image.
My potato image.
The gravy adds like a meatiness to it, savory meatiness to the whole thing. The cheese, it's kind of melty, so it's nice. I like it.
I do not know gravy sauce matches with potato.
I really want to go to Canada to try the poutine, like freshly made from a poutine stand or something.
Poutine stand. The next one is a maple syrup, obviously, but I've never seen canned type.
I know.
Always in the bottle.
In a bottle. So this is maple syrup from Quebec, and yeah, I guess you can eat it any way you want. We're gonna eat it with some pancakes. These are frozen pancakes that we've microwaved, but they're pretty good. Wow. You know what? I'm realizing something because we've been trying different maple syrup from all over the world, like real maple syrup, and we noticed that it tastes nothing like pancake syrup that you get at the restaurants that I grew up with. I thought that was maple syrup.
And I realized another thing. We ate a variety of maple syrup from all over the country, all over the world, especially Canada. Tastes different.
Tastes totally different. Yeah, I gotta say, like real maple syrup for me, it's a lot more subtle. Well, no, that's not a good way to put it. It's more caramelly. I think it tastes a bit more caramelly. It's actually more rich in taste, I think, and more complex.
For me,
Yeah.
more naturally.
That's true, more natural. Yeah, it tastes natural. Alright, next we are going to be trying a maple jelly. Maple jelly.
Maple jelly is different from maple syrup.
Yes.
Is it concentrated?
Look at it.
Oh, jelly.
Right, it's
Oh,
jelly.
texture is different.
Yeah, it's
jiggly.
like jiggly. And so we got some bread here, so we eat the maple jelly with some bread. Actually, I think we should just eat the maple jelly on its own first. Same taste as the canned one.
No, 美味しい。
Oishi.
Tastes good.
It kind of almost has like, it reminds me a little bit of the Okinawan black sugar, but just a little bit. Has that depth.
The natural flavor, natural sweet
Natural
flavor.
sweetness. Delicious. Alright, we'll try some with a little bit of this croissant that we have. I feel like this maple jelly is quite strong, so it kind of overpowers that croissant actually. I wonder what this would be good with. Like this actually doesn't go too well with a croissant. I like the taste on its own.
We need strong flavored croissant.
Yeah, I feel like this would be better in like maybe tea, some hot tea.
Tea
as a
is good.
sweetener. Yeah.
Next one. I'm very curious.
Me too.
The package picture is bacon, but then it is written maple bacon. What is maple bacon?
Yes, well, this maple bacon is a hot chocolate mix.
Hot chocolate mix.
Yes.
Wow.
Maple bacon hot chocolate mix. Wonder what that tastes like. Okay, so you simply mix this with some hot water or hot milk. We're using hot water today.
Smells like hot chocolate,
Tastes like hot chocolate.
but little bit different. Some grilled flavor.
Yeah, like a char grilled, smoky aftertaste to it. I don't really taste the bacon, which is actually a good thing. I was a little bit afraid it was going to taste porky, but it doesn't taste porky at all.
It doesn't taste porky. In the ingredient list, there is no bacon.
Yeah, but there is a little bit savoriness to it.
Savoriness, yes.
A little bit savoriness to this sweet hot cocoa, which is very interesting. I don't hate it.
Me too.
I don't hate it. So next one is a maple popcorn. And this looks like caramel popcorn, but it smells totally like maple.
Maple.
Nice and crispy. Actually,
maple.
I like that it's not that sweet.
That's right. The natural sweetness.
You know what? I'm learning a lot about how maple syrup is supposed to taste like. Nothing like I imagined.
Deep and rich flavor of maple syrup.
Right, but natural. Natural sweetness.
The next one is called celebration. Celebration. I think it's French. Celebration.
Celebration. Maybe. Well, these are butter biscuits.
Butter biscuits.
Yes, butter biscuits. And they also have maple in it, maple syrup in it. So maple syrup flavored butter biscuits. They're round and they have an imprint of a castle. Oh yes. On the notes it says this is actually this castle is Le Chateau Frontenac, one of the most famous hotels and landmarks of the province located in Quebec. Yeah. I really would like to visit Canada one day.
Me too.
I really do.
I've been to Canada.
Yeah. You have?
Yeah, to ski.
Oh,
Just
where?
to ski. It's near Vancouver.
Oh, really? And did you go to like the city of Vancouver?
No. Just slowly.
You didn't eat poutine?
No.
Wow. Unbelievable.
I ate lobster.
Lobster. Well, that sounds good too. Very soft. Soft biscuit. Nice, kind of caramelly, but I'm assuming this is the maple syrup on the inside.
The caramelly. And taste. It's different from sugar.
Yes. But having said that, this is the sweetest thing that we've eaten all day today. The sweetest one so far. But it's not overly sweet, which I really like. I love the texture of the biscuit as well as the milk chocolate on top. And the addition of the maple syrup on the inside just kind of brings it all together. Really good cookie.
And for the last, it's a maple hard candy. Looks like a maple leaf, and the color is maple syrup. Yes, it's a maple candy.
Yes. And you know what? I just took a sip of the maple bacon chocolate right now, just to cleanse my palate. I don't know if it's actually cleanses my palate. It's actually delicious.
It's delicious.
It's comforting for some reason, this smoky flavor. It kind of reminds me of like sitting in front of a fireplace, which I've never done in my life, but it kind of reminds me of that. I gotta say, even the maple candy is very subtle. Maybe my maple bacon chocolate was too strong.
I thought this candy could be very, very sweet,
But not.
but it's not.
You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of mizuame in Japan. Doesn't it taste like mizuame? Mizuame is a type of candy. It's like a liquid, almost like hard liquid candy.
懐かしい。
懐かしい. Yeah, it's
So
an old-fashioned
nostalgic.
candy. My mom used to give it to me when I used to have sore throat. Hi, Justin. Hello, Justin.
What do you want to eat?
I think the maple syrup is like
Maple syrup?
calling him. But I like it. I like how, once again, it's very natural tasting. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the video. It's time to choose our favorite.
Difficult. But today, I choose poutine.
Poutine. Really? That's your favorite?
Yeah. I'm a savory man.
You're a savory man. That's so true. He is so savory.
But it's combined nice gravy flavor with potato.
That's true. You know my favorite thing that I had today is actually the Fire Bar Chipotle sauce. I am like a huge fan of this. Like I wish I could have one of this in my bag everywhere I go. I think this would go so well with a lot of things, including that plate of poutine.
Once again, thank you very much, Caroline and Audrey, for sending these variety of foods. We really enjoyed.
We really did, and hope the rest of you enjoyed watching this video. As always, don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, and until next time, take care everybody. Bye.
Bye.